Fedora's focus on cutting-edge packages and stability makes it a solid base for downstream remixes that cater to specific audiences. Nobara targets gamers and power users by bundling kernel tweaks, proprietary drivers, and a custom tweak tool. Ultramarine aims for it just works usability, shipping with out-of-the-box multimedia codecs, RPM Fusion enabled, and multiple desktop options. risiOS concentrates on modernizing Fedora's experience through Btrfs snapshots, Wayland support, even on NVIDIA, Pipewire audio, and a polished GNOME desktop. Together, these distros save users setup time while retaining Fedora's robustness. Why Fedora remixes? Fedora itself emphasizes free software principles, fast release cycles, and the latest Linux innovations. Yet, its minimalist stance means users often need to manually enable codecs, add repositories like RPM Fusion, or tweak kernel parameters for gaming. Downstream projects step in to automate these tasks and provide specialized configurations without losing Fedora's benefits. Number 1. The Nobara. Nobara is an independent project that uses Fedora's repositories and code, but adds user-friendly and gaming-focused enhancements. It is not an official Fedora spin, but rather a downstream remix maintained separately. Now, key features: gaming-ready kernel and drivers. Includes F-Sync-enabled kernels and open-source NVIDIA support to boost performance and reduce latency. Nobara Tweak Tool, a graphical utility for enabling repos, installing drivers, and applying performance tweaks in a few clicks. Pre-installed multimedia codecs comes with out-of-the-box support for MP3, H.264, and other popular formats, eliminating manual codec installation. Now it's ideal for gamers, content creators, and users who value minimal manual configuration, but still want access to Fedora's latest packages. Number 2. The Ultramarine. Ultramarine Linux describes itself as Fedora made easy, focusing on seamless setup and daily use without compromising Fedora's stability. Now the key features: pre-applied tweaks, RPM Fusion enabled by default, GNOME shell extensions, and popular applications like LibreOffice are installed out of the box. Multiple desktop editions, official ISOs, ship with GNOME, KDE Plasma, Budgie, and Pantheon to suit various preferences. Friendly installer and welcome app. The latest Ultramarine 41 introduces a revamped installer and a first boot welcome tool to guide users through post-install tasks. Now it's ideal for new Linux users or those migrating from other distros who want a curated Fedora experience with minimal setup hurdles. Number 3. The risiOS. risiOS builds on Fedora's core strengths to deliver a modern, convenient desktop experience without the traditional Fedora learning curve. Now the key features. Btrfs by default enables snapshot-based rollbacks and easier system recovery. Wayland everywhere ensures smooth display performance, even on NVIDIA hardware, by shipping recent Wayland stacks. Pipewire audio, modern audio server for low latency mixing and Bluetooth support without extra configuration. Customized GNOME ships a tuned GNOME desktop with useful extensions and a consistent design language to streamline workflows. Now it's ideal for users who appreciate Fedora's cutting-edge features, but want them packaged in a polished, ready-to-use desktop. Now, finally, conclusion. Each of these remixes leverages Fedora's solid foundation to address common post-install tasks. Choose Nobara if you want a gaming-optimized environment with built-in drivers and tweaks. Opt for Ultramarine to get a plug-and-play Fedora desktop with multimedia codecs, RPM Fusion, and multiple DE options. Try risiOS when you need modern file system features, Wayland on NVIDIA, and a refined GNOME experience straight out of the box. By automating Fedora's typical setup chores, these distributions let you dive straight into work or play. No extensive post-install tweaking required.